Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I wanted to explain to you a little bit about glass or glazier insurance. And the reason this one touches home to me is because I actually used to be a glazier. I was a commercial glazier for 10 years. I received my journeyman's card, and I know exactly what the job requires and entails. I've done everything from, as a helper, I was just doing cleanup work, debris removal, tearing out, and cleaning up and just watching the guys cut glass, fabricate, polish, make units. I basically was on the job site. We used scaffolding to install windows. I was licensed to drive a man lift, a lull, scissor lift. I even hung off the side of a building a few times. I did some rappelling where I've done a caulking of windows on the sides, and I've even done a swing stage 43 stories in the air before. So I know everything about glass. I've worked for a non-union shop and a union shop, and I know what goes into it. I know the preparation. I know the what happens on the job. I know the safety equipment that's needed, and I know the scenarios. Anything from installing a mirror in a gym to a bathroom shower enclosure to sliding glass doors to storefronts to curtain walls. Multiple story curtain wall, the frames, the glass, the caulking, the vinyl. I've done it all. So basically, when I started this business, Elite Business Insurance, I came from a construction background, and I specifically catered to glaziers because that's where my heart is and that's what I have experience in, and I know that trade in and out. So I know what, in regards to business insurance, I know what kind of insurance you're going to need. You're going to need general liability insurance to protect your property or damages, bodily injury or property damage while on the job site, while you're performing work and after work has been completed. I know you're going to need commercial auto insurance, which would protect your vehicles in the case of an accident. I know that you possibly need property insurance for your contents or if you own a building. If you have equipment out on the job site, you're going to need inland marine or an equipment policy. Equipment policy, another word for it is inland marine. If you're doing jobs, big jobs, and the contractor is requiring that you place out a bid bond, we could get you bonded for those jobs. And if you need excess liability, if you need any sort of insurance, basically, I'll be able to walk you through the steps. I've dealt with many contractors, some who require barely to no insurance, such as like residential contractors or large contractors for very large corporations. I can't name them because I don't want to get myself in trouble, but where I've had to provide proof of insurance with additional insured, waiver of subrogation, primary and non-contributory wording. I need to list them on a per project aggregate where they just need extremely high coverages. So I could make sure that I provide you with all the best coverages for the best price. I understand your trade. I understand being a glazier, so I know exactly what you guys are doing on a daily basis. I know how to cover you correctly. I could give as many recommendations and suggestions as possible, and I could be your partner in business so that you focus on your glass, you focus on building, installing, fabricating, and making money. I'll focus on the insurance. I'll earn your trust. I'll be able to show you what you're covered for. I'll explain thoroughly what the benefits are of each insurance policy that you purchase through Elite Business Insurance, and we will make sure that you're always catered to in a very timely manner. We work harder than any other insurance agency out there to assure that our customers are more satisfied and to make sure that we write everyone as correct as possible and as sufficient as possible while paying the best prices possible. So Elite Business Insurance, 1-800-850-8819. I want to cater towards the glass field. So glaziers, glass, insurance, anything you need, you give me a call. Not only will we have something in common, but I can ensure all of your needs to the best of my ability. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.